Hey, how's it going, guys? So today on this video, we are going to talk about Venmo. Actually, we're going to talk about Venmo debit card, how you can go about ordering that through the app. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, you want to go on your phone to the Venmo app right here. It's the V with the blue app. If you don't have this app already, check the description. There is a link there, or you can just download it through Google Play or Apple App Store. Alright, so here we are in the app right now, and this is just the transaction screen through the world. These are folks that have made a transaction and they made their transaction public. And basically what you're going to do to order the app is up here on the top left, there is the option screen. So those three little lines, click on that. So here we are in the option screen, and then if you look down about 3 lines, it says Venmo card. Let's go ahead and click on there. And once you're in here, it says get the Venmo card. The Venmo card is accepted everywhere Mastercard is accepted in the US, which is pretty much everywhere. If you want to click through here, let's see what they have to say. You can use your Venmo balance anywhere you need it. You don't actually need to use the app. You can use the card. You can track your purchases. You can easily disable the card if you lose it or it's stolen. And you do get to choose which color card that you want from Venmo. So let's go ahead and click through. Get Venmo card. Choose your color. There is yellow, pink, blue, green, black, and white. I think I like the yellow, so I'll go ahead and click that. Next. And then it's asking you to put your name in, so go ahead and put your name in. Alright, so I put my name in, and they're going to do a quick security check, so you want to put your personal information in there. Alright, so I put my address in there, and now it's asking what my reload method will be. I'll just use the Chase account that I already have connected with the app. Click Next. Alright, so it's confirming my information. I'm going to go ahead and click Submit. Alright, so it says my card is in the works. They're sending out the card, and the delivery date, it looks like, is scheduled within the next 8 days. So I'm going to click Next. So that's basically it. That's how you order the Venmo card. And once you get the card in the mail, then you'll need to activate it with that blue button there at the bottom. But basically that is the Venmo Mastercard. And hopefully you found the video useful on how to order that. And if so, be sure to subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.